Hello everyone, I'm İpek Ünal. I study in Bilkent University and my department is Industrial Engineering. Today I am going to present my Physics 102 project in which I will be investigating the factors affecting induced EMF. And I will be trying to prove that the Faraday's law is valid. For this experiment, here is the list of the equipment we are going to use. We are going to use an ammeter instead of a multimeter because we couldn't use a machine to measure EMF values, so we are going to use an ammeter to measure the current values. For this experiment, we start by creating 3 different coils by winding wires in a circular manner. And then we connect the 60-turn coil with the radius of 3 cm to the ammeter using the cables. Then we start moving the magnets in and out through the coil and record the current value. Secondly, we connect the coil with 60 turns which has 2.25 cm radius and start moving the magnets at the same speed and note the current value. And finally, we connect the coil with 120 turns which has 2.25 cm radius and start moving the magnet at the same speed and note the current value. After we measured the current values, by the given equation, we are going to calculate the resistance values and then we are going to reach the EMF values by the Ohm law, which is given in the picture. Here is the resistance values we reached and here is the EMF values we reached. Here is the graph of the change in EMF values due to the number of turns in a coil. Also, the graph depicting the correlation between the radius of a coil and EMF values. In this experiment, we can conclude that even though we have errors due to the environment in which we conducted the experiment, we observed in our measurements that the number of turns in a coil and the EMF values are proportional, and the relationship between the radius of a coil and the EMF is also directly proportional. Hence, we can say that Faraday's equation is valid.